Excavation and trenching, safe work practices. Trenching and excavation operations pose serious hazards to all workers involved. In fact, the fatality rate for excavation work is 112% higher than the rate for general construction. Cave-ins are one of the most feared trenching hazards and result in more fatalities than any other hazard associated with excavation and trenching. As a matter of fact, 1 cubic yard of soil can weigh as much as a car, making an unprotected trench a potential early grave for workers. As part of a safety and health program, employers need to emphasize specific practices that will help reduce the risk of on-the-job injuries at excavation sites. Employers should know where underground utilities are located prior to the start of excavation operations. Keep excavated soil and other materials and equipment at a distance of at least 2 feet from the trench edges. Identify any equipment or activities that could affect trench stability, such as vibration from nearby heavy traffic or machinery. Test for atmospheric hazards such as low oxygen, hazardous fumes, and toxic gases when workers are more than 4 feet deep. Inspect trenches at the start of each work shift. Inspect trenches following a rainstorm, other water intrusion, or any occurrence that could have changed conditions in the trench. Prohibit workers from working under suspended or raised loads and materials. Prohibit workers from working on faces of sloped or benched excavations at levels above other workers unless the workers at the lower levels are sufficiently protected from the hazards of falling, rolling, or sliding material or equipment. Ensure that personnel wear high visibility or other suitable clothing when exposed to vehicular traffic. Provide a warning system, such as barricade, hand or mechanical signals, stop logs, etc., to guide operators where the equipment operator does not have a clear and direct view of the edge of the excavation, and require workers to stand away from vehicles being loaded or unloaded to protect them from being struck by any spillage or falling materials. If employees see conditions that could result in cave-ins, failure of the protective system, or other hazardous conditions, they should not enter the excavated zone. If already there, the employees should immediately evacuate and report such conditions to their supervisor.